one will be working as input port and second will be working as output port. But because it is not fixed which will be input port and which will be output port, we will be giving them port 1 and port 2. The quantities which are associated with them are V1 and V2 and I1 and I2. Whenever you are discussing or finding the parameters, you have to remember the direction of I1 and I2 will be incoming in the network. It cannot be changed. It will be always I1 and I2 incoming in the network, and V1 will be this polarity and V2 will be this polarity. If it is coming opposite, then you have to take it minus. Similarly, if the current is coming outgoing, then you have to take it as incoming. That means you have to take it as minus. So this is always fixed quantities. V1, V2 plus is upper terminal and minus is the lower terminal, and I1 and I2 are incoming. These are fixed. I1, I2 direction always incoming to the network. So this is the fixed quantity. Generally ये mistake generally कर देते हैं कि they will be considering I1 and I2 as, or generally when we talk circuit we will consider like this I1 and I2. So this is the network, and when we are writing, we will be writing it as V1 and I1 and I2, and we will solve this circuit. So it will be, answer will be wrong. For two-port network, you have to consider I1 as incoming to the network and I2 also as the incoming to the network. So in two-port network, I advise you, when you are writing the nodal equations or loop, you not consider I1, I2, I3. You consider IA, IB, IC as the loop currents. So they will remove the confusion which will be in the circuit, and then you will write what is the equation of I1 and I2 in terms of IA, IB and IC. So don't try to mix it up. Generally, like this is the network. We consider that this is I1 because it is I1. Generally, it is I1 because this will be I1. But then you have to consider this as I2 because this is I2. So I always say that you consider it as IA and IB. So when you are writing two-port network equation, you have to remember the direction of current and polarity of the voltage. Else your answer will become wrong, irrespective you have solved the complete right. So first parameter which we have already discussed is open circuit impedance parameter, and they are represented by Z parameters. Open circuit impedance parameter, Z parameter, we write the equation as, and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. And if you remember, Z11 is V1 upon I1 when I2 is 0. Z12 is Z12 will be V1 upon I2 when I1 equal to 0. Z21 is V2 upon I1 when I2 is 0. And Z22 is V2 upon I2 when I1 equal to 0. So these two parameters are evaluated when port 2 is open. Sorry, port 1 is open. And these two parameters are evaluated when port 2 is open. So these are Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. These are your Z parameters. Now second, we have short circuit admittance parameter. And they are represented by Y. These are the equation of current in terms of voltage. Impedance is equation of voltage in terms of current, and admittance is the equation of currents in term of voltage. So it will be I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So this is your Y parameter equations. So for finding Y11 and Y21, I make to make or to find out Y11 and Y21, I have to make V2 equal to 0, and to make V2 equal to 0, I have to make it short circuit. When I make it short circuit, V2 will become 0, but the direction of current will remain same. I2 will be incoming. So when I will make port 2 short circuit, I make V2 equal to 0. That means Y11 equal to V1 upon I1 when V2 equal to 0, and Y21 equal to V2 upon I2 सही लिखा है क्या? थंब इंप्रेशन दिखाओ कितने कहते हैं कि सही लिखा है. Y12 is right or wrong? जो कहते हैं सही दिख ये है वो थंब दिखाओ, और जो कहते हैं गलत है वो क्लैप का बटन दबाओ. 1 2 2 बच्चे कह रहे हैं, बाकी को कोई मतलब ही नहीं है कि क्या है. तो किसी ने याद ध्यान दिया नहीं. दीज आर रॉन्ग. Y11 is I1 upon V1 when V2 is 0, because when you make V2 equal to 0, your equation will become I1 equal to Y11 V1 and I2 equal to Y21 V1. So Y11 is I1 upon V1 when V2 is 0, and Y21 will be I2 upon V1 when V2 equal to 0. Similarly, when I make port 2 port 1 short circuit, V1 will become 0. That means I make port 1 as short circuit. So that means V1 become 0. That means Y12 will become I1 upon V2 when V1 equal to 0, and Y22 is I2 upon V2 when V1 equal to 0. Now these all are admittance. Current divided by voltage. So these all are admittance. These all are admittances. Now Y11 and Y22, they are of same port. That means they are transfer function. And Y21 and Y12 are of other port. So they are driving point functions. सही है क्या? या opposite? Same port है, then it will be driving point. And when they are opposite port, then they are transfer. So Y11 is driving point admittance at port 1, and Y22 is driving point impedance at port 2. And Y12 are transfer admittance when port 2 is short circuit. And similarly, this is when port 1 is short circuit. So these are Y parameters. So generally you have to remember these equations. Z parameter equation and Y parameter equations. So when you are asked to find out Z parameters, it is advised you will write loop equations, because they will give you relation between currents. And when you have Y parameters, then it is advised you will write mesh equations, because they will give you equation with like this. So these are how you will be writing or solving a net circuit. So we will solve the circuit, same circuit which we have solved for Z parameter. First, we will consider a simple circuit. For which we have written Z equations. This is your circuit. So now we will be writing a simple circuit. ले लेते हैं पहले एक simple circuit. For this, we have to find out Z parameters and Y parameters both. So this is the circuit. So generally it may be or it may not कि you have given what is I1, I2, V1, V2. If it is given, you can directly use, and if not given, you have to use it and consider it, but they will be always fixed. It will be voltage V1 and current I1, and this will be voltage V2 and current I2. So now for finding Z parameters, I will prefer loop analysis method. So I write the equation IA and IB. So for first equation, V1 minus 10 I1 minus 5, sorry, IA minus 5 IA minus IB equal to 0.
सर IB की डायरेक्शन उल्टी साइड नहीं होगी?
नहीं, हम जब लूप इक्वेशन के लिए लिखते हैं तो इट इज ऑलवेज कि हम सेम डायरेक्शन लें, पर जब हम
ओके सर.
IA इक्वल टू I1 and IB equal to minus I2.
ओके सर.
So it is always you write loop equation as you are writing loop equation. Don't consider कि I1 क्या है, V1 क्या है, V2 क्या है और I2 क्या है और उसकी डायरेक्शन क्या है. तो इसीलिए I have told you always use loop equation as IA, IB, IC. And previously we are writing I1, I2 and I3. So to remove the conflict, we have considered I1, I2 and IA and IB. So for this, I write, you can consider IB opposite. That is not wrong, but it is always prefer कि you will write equation in same direction. So V1 minus 10 IA minus 5 IA minus IB equal to 0. That will be your first equation. Then second, it will be minus 5 IB minus IA minus 20 IB minus, sorry, minus 20 IB minus V2 equal to 0. Minus V2 because we are going to minus. So this will be your second equation. So I will write first V1 equal to 15 IA minus 5 IB and V2 equal to minus, sorry, plus 5 IA minus 25 IB. And now I will write I1 and I2. So it will be V1 equal to 15 I1 plus 5 I2 and V2 equal to सर ये माइनस होगा और ये प्लस होगा, प्लस 5 I1 minus 25 I2. Sorry, plus
सर प्लस 5
प्लस होगा
plus
सर
5
माइनस
I2
25
minus
आई भी होगा
25.
-25
So it will be V2 equal to 5 I1 plus 25 I2. Now compare these with standard equation. You get Z11 equal to 15, Z12 equal to 5, Z21 equal to 5, and Z22 equal to 25. This is when you are writing for complete. I have not applied I1 0 and I2 0. You can solve it with that also. So for that, first I have to consider I1 open or I2 open. So I2 open means your circuit will reduce to so when I write the equation, it will become V1 upon I1 equal to 15. So that will become Z11. V2 equal to 5 I1. That means V2 upon I1 will be 5. That will become Z21. Similarly, when I will make I1 open, so your circuit will become so it will become V2 upon I2 equal to 25. That will become Z22 and V1 upon I2 will become 5. That means Z12. So this is how we can directly use. So these are two methods. You can write the equation and convert these equation in terms of your standard equation, and with standard equation you find out your parameters, or you can use directly I2 as open, then solve the circuit and find two parameters, and I1 open, and then you will find two parameters. These are the two methods. So these are how we will be solving and finding Z parameters for the network. Now for the same network, I have to find out Y parameters. So it is always prefer you will write node mesh node equations. So I will consider this as VA, this as reference. So it will be VA minus V1 by 10 plus VA by 5 plus VA minus V2 by 20 equal to 0. Then I1 equal to V1 minus VA by 10 and I2 equal to V2 minus VA by 20. This will be my first equation, this will be second, and this will be third. From this equation, I will write the or find the relation between VA in terms of V1 and V2. By solving this equation, I will find the relation between VA, V1 and V2. And from that equation, I will write VA and VA in terms of V1, V2 in this equation. And then solve. करो कोई solve क्या? What is the relation? VA will be बताओ क्या आएगा? VA will be this V1 and this V2.
Sir, VA equal to 2 by 7 V1
2 by
plus
7,
1 by
1 by 7 with 2.
By 7 V1
plus 1 by 7 V2.
plus 1 by 7 V2. इसको यहाँ रख दो.
Yes, sir.
So it will give I1 equal to V1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, 2 by 7 V1 plus 1 by 7 V2. So it will give you V1 आ गया 2 by 70. 1 by 10 minus 2 by 70. V1 minus 1 by 70 V2. That means this is Y11 and this is Y12. And similarly, when we write in second equation, you get Y21 and Y22. This is how we will be solving this circuit directly. So for this, I have write direct equation. Now there will be a second method for this also. That is port to short circuit. So first I will make port 2 short circuit. So this circuit will remove to so this will be considered as VA. So equation will be VA minus 10, sorry, VA minus V1 by 10 plus VA by 5 plus VA by 20 equal to 0. I1 equal to V1 minus VA by 10 and I2 equal to minus VA by 20. तो इससे सीधे VA इक्वल टू V1 निकल जाएगा, यहाँ पुट कर दो, यू विल गेट I1 and I2. And similarly, I make port 1 short circuit. So when I make port 1 short circuit, your circuit will reduce to so for this, I write VA and write the equation that will become VA by 10 plus VA by 5 plus VA minus V2 by 20 equal to 0. I1 equal to minus VA by 10 and I2 equal to V2 minus VA by 20. So this is how we will be solving. बताओ क्या आ रहा है? Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. किसी का निकला? So your y1 will be 1 by 14, y12 will be minus 1 by 70, y21 will be minus 1 by 70, and y22 will be 3 by 70. This is how we will be solving and finding z parameters and y parameters. Okay.
सर आज का क्लास एलएमएस पे डाल दीजिएगा सर प्लीज।
हाँ हाँ